A big hello to all the aspirants of English and a big thank you to SumanTV for arranging all this. And through trainers like me, the information, the knowledge is getting cascaded to thousands of students across who are aspiring to learn English. And this is absolutely free of cost. A big thank you to SumanTV. SumanTV long live. Let's come back to the topic. I have been discussing topics in each of the sessions of mine. And the topic that I'm going to discuss today is the use of I and me. Extremely confusing. I have seen students making this mistake. So I'm going to actually dwell on this today. At the end of the session, like I told you before, for other topics, you will have clarity on the usage of me and I. The common mistakes students do is, my friend and me went on a walk. Me and my friend went on a walk. Is this not common? Absolutely common. You may also it may also sound it right to you. You may find it right, okay? Now let's understand today, is the use of me right here? If it's not right, what should be used? And if something else has to be used here, when should me be used? Is what we'll understand today. But before we do that, I'm going to first tell you there is something called subject in a sentence. What is subject? Something that you speak about, something that you write about. Like you have a mail. In the mail you write subject line, no? What do you write there? What you're going to discuss in the entire mail. If you're going to discuss about your application for leave, you'll discuss about application for leave in the entire email of yours. If you're applying for a job, what will you discuss in the entire letter? You will discuss about your application for the job. If you're resigning for the job, you will have in the subject line resignation. That means in the entire mail, you're going to speak about resignation. So what is subject? What you speak about, either in a mail or in a sentence, right? So a sentence, what is sentence again? Sentence is a group of words. What is sentence? Group of words with complete meaning. With complete meaning. With complete meaning. So when will the meaning be complete? When the sentence has one subject, it also has a verb or a predicate. Or a predicate. Example. He worked. Is it a sentence? Very much a sentence. Why? It's got a subject, it's got a verb. He wrote. Sentence? Yes, a sentence. Why? He's got a subject, he's got a verb. He wrote. He wrote what? A book. So what is the subject here? He is the subject here. What is the verb? Then what is this then? What is this? It is the object. In simple words, object is nothing but a receiver of action. What it is? Receiver of action. What is the action here? Wrote. Who did? Who is the doer? Who did? He is a doer. What is book? Receiver. Who is the doer? He is the doer of what? This action. And who is the receiver of this action? Book. One more example. The police beat the thief. The police beat the thief. Who's the doer here? The police. We say doer, or in technical language, we call it as subject. What did he do? What did the policeman do? Beat. This is the action. Who did the action? Police did. Who received the action? Who received the beating? Thief. So what is thief? Thief is receiver or object. Okay. Now I. If this comes here, it is I. If I comes here, that is if I is the doer. I. Told whom? Told her. What is I? Doer. What is the action? Told. Whom? Her. So what is her? Her is but receiver. Her is receiver of action. Who is the doer? I is the doer. Now I will put I in the object form. I will use I in the object form. She is the subject, doer. Did. What did she do? Informed. Whom? Me. Why me? Here me is not the doer, it's a receiver. When me is the doer, it becomes what? I. Am I clear? So I, when it's a doer, I becomes me when it's a receiver of action. So in this sentence, me and my friend went on a walk. What is the action here? Went is the action. Who did the action? Me and my friend. Both are doers. What are they? They are doers. So when they are doers, this cannot be me. What should it be? It should be I. Is that the only correction? Common sense is, etiquette say, I should come later, friend should come before. So what's the right sentence? My friend and I went on a walk. Why I? I is a doer of the action. What is the action? Went. Who did? I did and the friend did. When does I become me? When I is receiving the action, not doing. In this case, who is doing the action? She. What's the action? Informed. She informed whom? Me. Is me doing the action? No. Me is only receiving action. So when I receive the action, it becomes me. When me does the action, it becomes I. Hope I am clear. Now I am going to give you two examples or two questions for you to reply to me in the comment box and also evaluate whether you have understood the concept or not. Tell me if this sentence is right, not just from the perspective of I or me, but also from the perspective of etiquettes that you have to follow, which I discussed in the previous example. I expect your answers. Please do subscribe, and if you like, expect your like as well. Thank you so much.